I'm Mehar here. I grew up in a countryside town where there was a lot of greenery, has, birds chirping, animals, lakes around, and I had many outdoor activities like camping, hiking, mountaineering, swimming, and other outdoor sports. I was a very happy person. When I came to Bombay years ago, it's a city with all these activities in closed environment. It doesn't have fresh air. It doesn't have very many open spaces. And I find people who are really sick all along taking either medicines or supplements, which are detested. They were even laughing at me, saying that at this age you do need at least supplements and you cannot go on further. But to my joy, I found Vishal, who really taught me how to live a fully healthy, holistic, natural life. I'm also inclined towards spirituality, and I find the ray of spirituality in Vishal. Vishal, God bless you. I wish I can always be with you all along till I live. Thank you very much, Vishal. In these 5 days, I've learned to have a bond with you, which is very good, loving, caring, and grateful. God bless you.